Hello everyone, it's 4th October. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. In the first page, we have IFG details Pak loses F-16s, JF-17s among aircraft taken out on ground in air. Very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have violent protest sweep. POK, India says Pak operation the cause. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have rain winds improve AQI, light rain likely tomorrow. Again, very important for environment pollution perspective. Moving forward, we have won't show restraint next time. Army chief warns Pak. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have lay protest. Government reaches out, but time running out for talks. Very important for internal security perspective. Moving forward, we have government identifies 100 aspirational agriculture districts. UP tops the list. Very important for agriculture perspective. Moving forward, we have NCERT launches Swadeshi modules for students. ECO's Prime Minister's call for self-reliance amid tariff row, very important for policy and governance perspective. Moving forward, we have the editorial page. The editorial page is always important for the examination perspective. The first editorial says a reality check for peace. Even if Hamas accepts Trump's Gaza plan, it may not be a workable solution. Very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have unreasonable hike. Indian farmers need income, not price support. The best way is not through MSP but by direct per hectare transfers. Very important again for agriculture perspective. Moving forward, we have that a teacher is walking away. Very important for education perspective. Then we have on dams take the China way. Very important for international relations as well as infrastructure perspective. Moving forward, we have Trump ultimatum to Hamas, accept deal by Sunday or hell will break out. Very important again for international relations perspective. Then we have hopes fade for quick end to government shutdown as Trump reads plans for layoffs and cuts. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have the economy page where we have RBI has no independence in setting inflation target. Very important for economy perspective, paper 3. Then we have NVIDIA and Fujitsu agree to work together on AI robots. Very important for science and tech as well as economy perspective. Then we have Niti Aayog proposes wider presumptive tax on boost FDI. Very important for economic perspective again. Moving forward, we have this whole page dedicated to this one news. Young and angry Lay. Very important for internal security perspective. Moving forward, we have this explained page where as India-China direct flight resume, who stands to gain. Very important for international relations perspective again. A red sunset on the horizon in 2025. 217 XLs have been killed, 680 have been arrested. Very important for national security perspective. Moving forward, we have declining inflation, improving consumer confidence. Again, very important for economic perspective. And that's it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.